Students, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just joined through my mobile phone. Is my screen is visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And we need to identify cash balance to complete the balance sheet. Am I right?
Yes.
However, in order to get the cash balance, all we need to prepare is receipts and payments account, right? But when
Yes,
you
sir.
have receipts and payment account, you also need to have cash purchases and cash sales. Do do your question have any information related to cash sales and cash purchases?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then shall we just like that consider cash sales and cash purchases with our oral adjustments or with the normal calculations? Or do we need to prepare any specific accounts? We need to prepare.
Sundry
We
debtors
definitely need
account.
to prepare debtors account and creditors account. So kindly prepare debtors and creditors account quickly. Clear? And what is the opening balance? Do you have any opening balance? No, because straight away they are starting with the credit sales. How much? How much the credit sales is?
10,000, sir.
Perfect. It is 10,000 rupees. Followed by, followed by, we have bad debts.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Bad debt
sir.
Okay,
500.
we have closing balance.
500, sir.
Perfect. Do we have closing balance?
Yes, sir. 5,200, sir.
It is 5,000.
200, sir.
Perfect. Now what is the total? 10,000, right? Now can you find cash balance as a balancing figure? Cash sales.
Four,
What is the amount? 4,000.
800.
300, sir.
So all you need to understand is cash sales is 4,300. Then what account should be prepared?
The creditors account.
Creditors account, sir.
Creditors account.
1 minute. Creditors account have a format similar to debtors. What is the opening statement? Credit purchases how much?
11,000, sir.
What is the amount? 11,000. What else? Any other adjustments?
Closing
Any other
creditors.
adjustments?
Closing creditors.
What is the closing balance? Total.
3,600.
3,600, sir.
Okay. What is the total?
11,000.
Okay. Tell me the balancing figure. What is the total?
7,400, sir.
That's it. So now we arrived at cash sales and cash purchases. Shall we proceed with the receipts and payments now?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similar particulars, amount. Okay. What are the list that we are going to consider? Can somebody tell me? First cash transaction, what is it? First cash transaction, what is it?
Capital.
Capital, how much?
10,000.
10,000, sir.
10,000 rupees. Very good. Then sales. Cash sales, how much?
7,000, sir.
Okay. Amount paid to debtors in cash. Just see here. What is it?
4,300.
4,300. Right? Then what else in the debit column?
Cash purchase.
Okay. Just see the adjustment once again. Cash purchases.
Furniture.
How much cash purchases?
4,000, sir.
Okay. Furniture.
3,000, sir.
3,000, sir.
Drawings. How much?
700.
Why it is 700?
1,400.
Perfect. It is 1,400. Then salaries. How much?
2,000.
2,000.
Business expenses.
700.
What?
700, sir.
Creditors. What is the value?
7,200.
600.
Perfect. What next? Closing balance. How much?
6,500.
What is the balance? Receipts and payments account balance. I'm asking you all, what is the total receipts and payments account? 21,300 rupees. What is the balancing figure? Closing balance of receipts and payments account.
2,800.
2,800.
2,800, sir.
2,800 will move to.
Cash in hand, balance sheet. Asset
That's
side.
it. Can you all prepare balance sheet now?
Yes, sir.
Quickly prepare balance sheet. Sunil's balance sheet. Is it Sunil's balance sheet?
Yes, sir.
Amounts column. What will be the first item in the asset? Cash
Cash in
balance, how
hand.
much?
2,800.
2,800.
2,000. Very good. What next? Sundry debtors, how much?
3,000.
5,000.
5,200.
100. Very good. Next.
Furniture and fittings.
Closing stock, how much?
6,500, sir.
6,500.
Okay, furniture and fittings, how
3,000,
much?
sir.
3,000.
3,000 rupees. Perfect. Shall we move on to the particular side?
Capital.
Creditors, how much?
3,600, sir.
Creditors?
3,600.
Students, can you hear me?
So
Yes, sir.
3,600, sir.
Sundry
3,600.
creditors, how much?
3,600.
3,600, sir.
600. Very good. Capital? Inner column or external column?
In a column.
How much?
10,000.
10,000, sir.
Okay, less.
Drawings.
Drawings.
How
1,400.
1,900.
1000? Can somebody correctly calculate and tell me?
1,900, sir.
1900. Okay. What is the balance? Can somebody give me a split up of this 1900?
8,100.
What is the split up of this 1900?
1,200 plus 200 plus 500. Already he took
1200 drawings, 500.
goods and 200
Is the cloth taken and 200 is the amount
500
paid to
what?
his son, sir. Is the cloth taken from his purchase, sir, for his personal use?
Students, you can't hear my voice properly.
we can, sir.
Students,
Sir, we can hear you, sir.
Can hear you, sir.
1200 is their drawings, 500 is for the
Cloth taken from for his personal use and 200 is the amount paid to his son.
Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, what next? Net profit? How much?
5,800.
5,800, sir.
How much?
13,900.
Okay, what is the balance? What is the balance sheet total? Balance sheet
17,500.
total? Okay, so the problem is over. Students, can you quickly copy it? Any doubts as of now? Any doubts as of now, students?
No, sir.
Sir, please scroll down
Okay.
to recent
Yes,
payments, sir.
yes, Purnima?
Sir, please scroll down
Be
to
little more audible.
sir, please scroll down to receipts and payment account, sir. I
Oh,
haven't
I need
copied.
to scroll down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which account you want to copy, ma?
Receipts and payment account, sir.
Okay. Quickly copy it, students. I will give one more problem, and tomorrow possibly I will work on the problem which I have already said from the net worth method.
Anil and
Tomorrow we
Sumit.
will possibly work it out, and then we will continue with few problem with the conversion method. Then we will Enema, Anil and Sunil, correct. Then later on, we will move on to the second unit quickly because your first year is going to schedule in another few weeks. Can you please post it in the chat box once copied as copied? Everyone? Did you all copy the problem, students? Yes or
Copy,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All done? Okay. I will be checking all your classwork note tomorrow, so I want every one of you to bring your classwork note tomorrow. I will stop present my screen now. Can you see this slide, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
copy
sir.
it. Copy it and post it in the chat box as copied once done. Please
Please
post
post
it
it
in
in
the please post it in the chat box once copied as copied. Aditya, Augustine Francis, Monica Y, Sujay, Tamil Selvan. All seems to be absent, but only 74 students are here. We are going to court, I don't know when I do the attendance audit and get back to you with the report. Every day, at least 1 week, I'll be marking absent if I catch you. Almost all copied. Great. Shall I move the slide? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please copy this problem. This problem getting over with this slide. Let me know once copied.
So the salary's date is 13, sir.
What is it, Daniel?
The date for salary is up to, isn't it 30 or 31, sir?
Oh, it should be 30. That might be a typo. Take it as by the end of November 30. I think everybody can incorporate the same corrections. It's 30, 11, 20, 17. Thanks, Daniel.
Welcome, sir.
Those who have copied the problem can leave the meet. And tomorrow we will work on the net worth method problem followed by this if time permits. And for campus walk, please be prepared with better cap and also water bottle. Even if you find any water station, it will not be available during campus walk. So better you carry one nice water bottle and also have a cap for a campus walk.